This week, helping friends learn how to work on their car. Chandra called and asked if she could borrow a tool to change the air cleaner on her car. She's a single mom and we really like to help anywhere we can. We had her come over, and as this is a quick maintenance job, I right then and there showed her what to do. This video does two things. It shows how to change the air filter on a 2012 Ford Focus, as well as the tools needed. It also shows how I teach someone with no experience how to do things in a way that they feel they accomplish something along with learning. Starting with opening the hood. Once the inside handle is pulled, finding the safety latch on any car can be an adventure. On this car, it's on the passenger side near the headlight. The air cleaner is on the driver's side of the engine bay. In this black plastic box just in front of the battery. Yes, there's a battery underneath that plastic cover. It's held together with 4 screws in these locations. I started with assembling the tool for Chandra. In this case, a screwdriver with interchangeable bits, a 1/4-inch square drive adapter, and an 8mm socket. I showed Chandra where the 4 screws were and showed her how to unscrew the first one. In this case, the screws are the captured type that stay with the part so you don't lose them. I didn't know that at first, so I carefully made sure that the screw wouldn't fall out as I unscrewed it. Of course, then this wasn't needed, so I explained to her what a captured screw was. Chandra then unscrewed the other 3 screws. She has used a screwdriver before, but not with a socket on the end. These screws are not like bolts that require a lot of effort to remove, so this tool is perfect for this. To open the air cleaner box after the screws are fully unscrewed, just pull the top of it toward you and it will separate from the lower part. In this case, Chandra hadn't fully unscrewed one of the screws, so it didn't come off right away. So I just had her finish unscrewing the last one, and she opened the top of the box. Wiggling the filter might help, but just grabbing the ends and twisting the filter on the mounting tube loosens it. And then as you twist it, pull it to the side away from the mounting tube. When it slides off, just pull it straight out of the box. The new filter goes into the same spot, straight in. If it's at an angle, it won't slide in, so it has to go straight into it. Once it's on the mounting tube, twist and push it on all the way, and then make sure it's sitting all the way down into the lower part of the box. I let Chandra do most of the work, and just checked on the work after she finished each step. I explained to her anything she got right and anything she missed. The top of the box is next, and it just slips into place. If the filter is not correctly in place, the top of the box will not close properly. With it closed, just run the screws down and the job is done. Unless, of course, you drop something. Then you need to retrieve the tool. My favorite retrieval tool is a magnet. This one came from an old hard drive that I pulled apart. They have some of the best magnets in them. Now the magnet could be attached to any long tool, but I also use this magnet to protect the edge of a chisel and to protect me from getting cut by it. Now this magnet works really well for most part or tool retrievals. With the tool reassembled, Chandra finished up tightening all the rest of the screws. Chandra was very happy that she got to learn how to do this and what tools she needs to do it in the future. Teaching someone a technical task requires patience to let them do the job that would have really taken me just 5 minutes. We took about 20 or 25 minutes, including the tool retrieval. Letting them make mistakes is also part of teaching. It's not often that a task goes right without a mistake or a fumble. Giving them the experience of correcting the issue is often the most important part of the lesson. I personally feel that teaching a skill is more important than just doing it for someone. But what do you think? Have you had the experience of teaching someone to do something and they really learned it? Leave a comment below with your experience.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you see, press the like button below and subscribe. And also check out our other videos.